and welcome back to our channel Denu Munu and their Wonderings. So today we wanna show you 2 Christmas crafts. So let's get start the video. So our first one is Christmas tree. And let's see what we need. We need a bottle to hit me and Denu. Then we just need some lights and some artificial leaves, scissors and putty tapes and and some decorations for our Christmas tree.
I love decoration.
So let's get started.
The video.
So for our first step, we need the bottle and lights.
Yeah.
So at first, we just need to put the lights
Into the bottle.
into the bottle. So, oh, it's so hard. Can you help me?
Okay.
Put it. It's so clumsy.
Oh. They are so little.
Just let it. So after putting the lights into our bottle, we just shake it. Yeah, so that the light will go on the whole bottle. And now we need our tapes.
2 tapes. 2 green. This is the light green tape and this is the dark green.
So just take the tape, cut it, and slowly use the tape, stick the wire into this, and
Bye.
we're gonna put this portion to the plug. So our taping is done, and now we need those artificial leaves to cover the outer part of our Christmas tree. So very hard. At first, we just need to put some part. The Christmas tree, you can see. Now we just need to cover it.
You are going in my face. Means you are putting this in my face, not in the bottle.
Like this. And you can use hot glue gun to secure it, or tape, or anything as you wish.
Look at this. What is this? What we will do? We will draw two
Okay.
eyes.
Now we need to use some hot glues to secure it.
Yay!
It's done.
No. Once, two.
You wanna see how it looks like? So at first we need to clean the table.
Yes.
So 3,
2,
2, 1,
go.
go.
Cutie pie.
Now we just need to turn on the light.
Yay!
See? Let's wait.
3,
Dashing to the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over fields we go, laughing all the way. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Over far is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle bells. One is the person who gives us too many gifts. I can't wait. Guess who? Did you guess? Yeah, it's Santa. But it's a problem because the Santa's dress unfortunately dyed into green. So this is Santa. It's my childhood toy. Childhood doll. And I'm gonna put it in my childhood dress and childhood doll in this video. So let's do it. At first, let's take a doll and take baby dresses and put your doll. Force your doll to wear your dress. And then after some time it will become so of this dress. Struggle to wear my own dress. I have to struggle to wear to put Santa in my dress. Oh my god. Too much struggles.
What is this going on here?
This is very struggle in my life.
No.
Hey Santa, why you didn't attach your chain? Let me do it.
This is a very funny one.
Munu attached my chain. Yeah, I did it because of your help. Now, just put your cap. I don't want my cap. It's too hot here. It's too hot. Shut up. You feel sick if you didn't. Now, it's time to make our stand out because it looks like a child. What a child, Santa? I don't want to be old because I'm too young. Hello, Santa. All Santas are old. You can't be young. So, we need some cotton to make our Santa old. And now,
the Santa is one. Not everywhere Santa is.
I have IQ. Okay, let's. Santa, your face. can't, Santa.
Yes, I can.
You can't.
Yeah.
Now we need a brush.
Munu is blinding me up.
You're not Santa. Oh! I forgot about the mustache.
Mustache.
Now, we just make Santa. Now it's time for making Santa. At first, I'm gonna go with sketch.
You do. No, you put the doll up and says a trick for me. Yes.
Santa, it's not me. Get all Santa. He's becoming old.
When you said that funny thing like that, you said
It's not me. It's our Santa.
Santa said, I don't want to be old. I want to be younger.
Yeah. Now Santa is old.
Yay.
Now you need to put your cap again because you're gonna be fall sick.
This Santa looks cute.
It's not cute. It's old man.
No, cute. You are
Cute
saying
again, Santa. Now you are old.
no.
Ha 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 ha
No,
ha.
Santa, you are cute.
What is it? It's all okay. But where is my eyebrow? Hey, I don't wanna be without eyebrows. Okay, Santa. Don't worry. We are here. We're gonna give you eyebrows.